And it's upside down. What's up YouTube? Today we're just doing a quick install on the Z1 Motorsports under panel for our 350Z. This should fit on any year, any model year I think. Could be completely wrong, I don't know. But hopefully it fixes some rattles and maybe it improves some cooling and makes it a lot easier to do oil changes. So let's see how it goes. I'm sure this is what's been causing a lot of my rattling. This thing has seen better days. Alright, time to install this. Alright, next step, we've got to replace all of the busted clips with the new ones. We've got these shorter bolts. We have these two longer bolts which go in the second section, right there and there. We've got these soft washers that will prevent any metal on metal noise. And then we've got these 4 spacers that you have to use for the different height levels or depth levels of the panel. So I'll figure out where those go as well. And it's upside down. panel, just backed it out, and it seems like there are no creaks and rattles. That was honestly one of the main benefits I was looking for. So we'll see what happens. We'll take it for a quick drive and see how it does. Well, I'd say that was a great success. There were significantly less rattles, if any, after installing that, which is honestly the main thing I'm happy about. Couple issues: make sure that the front panel goes up as opposed to down when you're installing it on the front of the car. The little white spacers go in between the body of the car and the panel, not in between the screw and the panel. Those go in the back two service panel holes, as well as the two long gold bolts in the middle of the middle panel. With that, the car actually feels a lot more satisfying to drive because it doesn't sound like it's falling apart. So for that, I'm pretty happy. I've already done a ton of work on this car, and there's a lot more stuff coming. So until then, I'll catch you guys next time.